Hi everyone, hope you're doing fine. In this video tutorial, I will tell you about the flashlight problem in Galaxy F15. So if the flashlight or the torch light is not working, I will show you how you can fix it. You have to watch complete video, follow all the steps, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe. For further detail, now let's watch the video.